Alright people, it's Monday morning. We're in St. Augustine. Running a little late. We're going to go out here and give it a try. We got Dan on the boat. Go out here and see what happens.
Good morning, fellow fishermen.
Alright,
there he is.
Yes,
Take
yes.
off. Take it off. Take it off.
Get him out of there, baby.
Take it off. We gotta go back. We gotta go back.
Hang on.
Come on through. Don't hang up. Oh yeah, I got it through.
Alright.
Did you see it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Did you see the strike?
Oh yeah.
He ain't big,
It's alright.
but he's fun. He's close.
That's a keeper, dude. Man, you pulled that sucker out of the woodwork back
Hey
there.
man, right here in the St. Augustine, hitting top water. Got it in there, pulled it about 4 times. Splash!
I guarantee you that's a keeper.
Hey man, nice trout, huh? Check him out. Pretty little thing. It's got the purple, got all these spots. Yeah man, pretty fish. Pretty fish. We got one for the fish fry.
Did he come out of there?
Yeah, he's out. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good fish right there, man.
Yeah, there we go.
That's a good fish right there, baby.
It's a trout.
Is
Oh,
it?
he
Oh,
acted
man.
like a red.
I thought it was a red too. That thing was fighting, boy.
That's a trout.
Alright, that's another keeper.
That's a keeper for sure. He's pretty. Look how pretty he is.
Bam! Got him! Oh man, that's a nice one, dude. Alright. We got Captain Ron, the topwater specialist, in the boat today.
That was a pretty awesome strike right there. Yeah. Because he has to be on top of that lure to be able to get it.
Oh yeah.
That was a real nice strike. But any strike's a nice strike.
Alright.
It's a lucky strike.
It's 3-0. Captain Ron schooling me today.
Okay. Who's got a red on?
There he is. And in the off the beach, no problem. But
You on?
Yeah,
You
we
on?
got it.
All right. Oh
It's a
yeah.
ladyfish or something.
It's a lady.
It's a ladyfish.
Oh, the fun fish.
The nasty, stinking, messy fish.
The poor man's tarpon.
There he is.
Wow. Feel him. He's chasing it.
Got him. That quick. Yoo!
Got him. Take it what the Lord giveth.
They're fun.
Yeah, right there at the boat.
That's a bad little dude right there.
That's just a spectacular sight.
It's awesome, isn't it?
That's a spectacular sight.
Nope. Little baby. All right, people, we're in St. Augustine again. It's sun just came up.
6:22.
We're gonna go out here and give it a try, see what happens.
Yeah, that was huge, man. That was freaking huge. What a kerplunk. Yes. Did you see him come out of the water? Did you see him come out of the water?
Yeah, finally, baby, hooked up.
All right.
Keeper. Oh man,
Come on.
I
Really?
got
You got him?
I got him.
You got him?
Nice keeper trout, I think. Oh, there's a nice one, ready? Here he is, top water trout, baby. That's a keeper. Got Captain Ron hooked up, baby. Offshore. Wanna go to the front of the boat? You're telling what you got a hold of there. Woo!
Now he knows.
Didn't like the boat though, did it?
Now he knows.
You might have a big old cobia. Just take your time with him.
I got to.
Oh yeah.
Everything I just reeled up.
You just lost it, huh?
Hooked up, that's for sure.
Yeah, baby, that's all that matters. We're hooked up.
Yeah, big boy.
I think he's a keeper, dude.
Yeah, he's close. He's gonna be close. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He didn't like that either. All right, man.
That's a bad fish right there,
That's
boy.
awesome, dude. I can't believe we're on it, man. This is the target species. Come on, one more time, one more time. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on. Oh, yeah! Woo!
landed that sucker, man. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's a keeper, man. 36 and change.
Yeah, let's keep it.
Oh, that's awesome looking, dude. So far.
Feel that line.
Not bad.
Not
That I
bad.
feel.
10.
Oh yeah, you put the, what, the 12 pound on him? Huh? And the sport fisherman, Captain Ron, with the challenge, the tiny mono challenge.
Oh. Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, he just cut it off.
Oh.
Sailfish. Yeah, he's on there. Yeah, I already seen him whack it a couple times and come back and get it.
They eat it tail first. You got a circle hook?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you see him?
No. Not anymore.
Well, pull up. See?
Oh, look, there he is right there. He might have my line.
They never ate it.
Damn. Remora.
See him yet?
Quickly? Hell yeah, just spin the thing around. Oh man, hurt that.
He put the whole ass on, didn't he?
Man, dude, jeez.
Careful, he might take off again.
Yeah, baby.
I hope that's a feisty cobia. Look how far we are from the boat.
What do you got for leader down there?
Nothing. It's just tied to a jig head.
You think this is like 20 pounds?
Oh, that red one? Oh no, that's 15. Well, the reel's okay, just the rod's kind of little. And the line, probably. And the hook, and... No leader. So, what are you thinking it is?
I hope it's Kobia.
Come on, man. Really, what do you think it is?
I don't know what it is. He's on the little reel again. What? He's on the little pole again.
You don't know what it is?
I have no idea. I'm trying. It's only like 15-pound test. Like 15, I think. I'm putting heat on him, believe me. He's putting heat on me.
He just don't want to come up, does he? Man, I'm glad you grabbed it. I guess he's just not going to surrender, Jason.
Don't look like it, does it?
What'd you get yourself into, son? You sure? Jason's saying, what the hell's Dad thinking bringing 15-pound out here? He don't want to come up.
The rod is spinning around, the reel's spinning around.
Uh-oh, it's coming off the seat. Good?
Not really. The rod keeps spinning in my hand.
It's not going to pop out, is it?
I hope not. I see color.
What?
I see color.
He's down about 20 feet. Man, I hope it is a freaking Kobia. He's going down, man.
Ain't nothing I can do on this freaking thing, dude. It's coming apart.
The rod.
Yeah. Turning in my head every time I pump on it.
Uh-oh.
See color again. The rod's falling apart.
Just don't lose the reel. I wish he was up a little bit higher where we could see him. Work him up, Jason. Work him up. Work him up, Jason. Work him up. Work him up, Jason. He's coming. He's coming, you see him? What is it? Big ass shark?
You gotta take some pictures of this thing. You can just take my phone. Get pictures of this big bastard.
Ooh, that's a big old shark, dude.
Well,
I got to sit back down to hold the rod together.
yeah, a little closer.
Look at this sucker right here, people. Hooked him in the mouth. Look at that, right in the mouth. No leader, 15-pound test.
You're on the opposite side of him.
That's what we caught him on. No leader.
Right in the lip.
Right in the mouth, dude. Took 1 hour to catch that fish.
Both sides.
All right.
Leader touch, hook release.